How many states must a party win elections in to be recognized as a national party? A. At least 5 states. B. At least 3 states. C. At least 2 states. D. At least 4 states. The correct answer is D. At least 4 states. What is the minimum population required for a village panchayat to be constituted? A. 250. B. 100. C. 500. D. 1000. The correct answer is C. 500. Where should a cyclist position themselves on the road? A. On the extreme left side. B. In the middle of the road. C. On the pavement. D. On the extreme right side. The correct answer is A. On the extreme left side. What other official, besides the district collector, supervises the developmental functions of the panchayat union? A. The planning officer. B. The attorney general. C. The commander-in-chief. D. The minister of finance. The correct answer is A. The planning officer. What right do citizens who attain the age of 18 have in the democratic system? A. Right to hold office. B. Right to vote. C. Right to petition. D. Right to freedom of speech. The correct answer is B. Right to vote. The Tamil term is associated with what economic activity? A. Consumption. B. Production. C. Investment. D. Occupation. The correct answer is D. Occupation. What was the form of governance in India before it became a democratic country? A. Socialist state. B. Monarchy. C. Colonial rule. D. Republic. The correct answer is B. Monarchy. What is the maximum population required for a town to be declared a corporation? A. Below 10 lakhs. B. Exactly 1 lakh. C. Above 10 lakhs. D. Below 1 lakh. The correct answer is C. Above 10 lakhs. The forest area is described as the habitat of which animal? A. Elephant. B. Peacock. C. Amphibian. D. Tiger. The correct answer is D. Tiger. What is one role of the Indian Parliament? A. Conducting elections. B. Appointing the President. C. Making laws for the country. D. Administering states. The correct answer is C. Making laws for the country. From which courts did appeals proceed to the Ghana courts during ancient times? A. Royal courts. B. Local courts. C. Kula courts. D. Village courts. The correct answer is C. Kula courts. Who is the chairman of the corporation? A. State Election Commissioner. B. Chief Minister. C. Mayor. D. Municipal Commissioner. The correct answer is C. Mayor. Which type of law usually begins with the lodging of an FIR? A. Criminal law. B. Constitutional law. C. International law. D. Civil law. The correct answer is A. Criminal law. Who was the first Field Marshal of India? A. Shiv Kumar. B. K. M. Karyappa. C. Arjan Singh. D. Sam Manekashaw. The correct answer is D. Sam Manekashaw. Which external intelligence agency later took over supervision of the Special Frontier Force, SFF? A. Research and Analysis Wing. B. Intelligence Bureau. C. National Security Agency. D. Central Bureau of Investigation. The correct answer is A. Research and Analysis Wing. What is the primary purpose of making something mandatory for two-wheelers? A. To enhance aesthetic appeal. B. To limit their speed. C. To make them more conspicuous. D. To reduce fuel consumption. The correct answer is C. To make them more conspicuous. Where was Wimbledon when his name was called loudly? A. Playing near the swings. B. Sitting with Kevin. C. The text does not specify. D. In the crowd. The correct answer is C. The text does not specify. What condition allows for only one price to be prevalent in the market for goods and services at any given time? A. Government price controls. B. Imperfect competition. C. The existence of perfect competition. D. Monopoly conditions. The correct answer is C. The existence of perfect competition. How does media contribute to democratic values? A. By enlightening and empowering the people. B. By creating political divide. C. By restricting information flow. D. By weakening public trust. The correct answer is A. By enlightening and empowering the people. Which act, passed in 2000, deals with the care and protection of juveniles? A. The Child Labour Act. B. The Juvenile Justice Act. C. The Human Rights Watch Act. D. The Education Act. The correct answer is B. The Juvenile Justice Act. Which of the following is the deepest trench in the world? A. The Atlantic Trench. B. The Mariana Trench. C. The Arctic Trench. D. The Indian Ocean Trench. The correct answer is B. The Mariana Trench. Services required for industries to distribute goods to people are classified under what type of activities? A. Secondary activities. B. Primary activities. C. Manufacturing activities. D. Tertiary activities. The correct answer is D. Tertiary activities. Which year was Sanskrit declared as a classical language? A. 2008. Born in 2013. Circa 2004. D. 2005. The correct answer is D. 2005. Besides language and food, what is another difference among people mentioned? A. The festivals they celebrate. B. The weather they experience. C. The sports they play. D. The books they read. The correct answer is A. The festivals they celebrate. What is one aspect of India's foreign policy related to capital? A. Restricting capital outflow. B. Ignoring global financial markets. C. Refusing foreign capital. D. Sourcing capital. The correct answer is D. Sourcing capital. Are the directive principles of state policy enforceable by the courts? A. Only if Parliament passes a law. B. No, they are not. C. Only in special circumstances. D. Yes, always. The correct answer is B. No, they are not. What do all people possess under the concept of global citizenship? A. Limited economic resources. B. Unique cultural identities. C. Specific national allegiances. D. Rights and civic responsibilities. The correct answer is D. Rights and civic responsibilities. What principle is followed while electing members of the Lok Sabha? A. Indirect election. B. Universal adult franchise. C. Limited suffrage. D. Proportional representation. The correct answer is B. Universal adult franchise. What is New Delhi associated with in the given context? A. Ministry of Defence. B. BCIM. C. National War Memorial. D. SARC. The correct answer is B. BCIM. Which article of the Constitution supports the Right to Education Act? A. Article 25A. B. Article 21A. C. Article 19A. D. Article 29A. The correct answer is B. Article 21A. How did you score?